Welcome to the Spendwise Moms channel, your homemaking resource hub. My husband makes the best hash browns. Whenever people come visit, they always want him to make hash browns for them. In this video, I will share what we do to make them, so you can make them yourself if you're interested. Most people in restaurants use frozen hash browns or use raw potatoes to make their hash browns. I think the key that makes ours so good is using cooked potatoes. The first thing to do is to wash the potatoes. Next, stab them with a fork so they don't explode in the oven. Then I put my potatoes into a muffin tin. I learned this from an older lady I go to visit named Betty. It is easier to take them in and out of the oven this way. Cook the potatoes at 400 degrees for about an hour. You should be able to poke them with a fork and have the fork come out easily. After the potatoes are cooked, take them out and cut them in half to let them cool. When they are cool, scoop the potatoes out of the skins. Next, pour some canola oil or vegetable oil into a frying pan or griddle on medium heat. Add the potatoes. Chop them up coarsely and then sprinkle some Tony Chachere's Cajun seasoning on them. If you don't want to use the seasoning, you can just use salt and pepper, but the seasoning makes a difference. After a couple of minutes, turn the potatoes over and sprinkle seasoning on the other side. You can also add a little more oil to the potatoes. Let the potatoes cook until they start to brown. Turn them over and cook them until the other side starts to brown. Take the potatoes off the grill or frying pan and enjoy them when they are cool enough to eat. Thanks for watching the Spendwise Moms channel. Please subscribe for more videos just like this.